Hello all, welcome again. In this video, we will see what are the key differences that Cypress is having when compared with the other testing tools or frameworks. Okay, the first difference that is having the Cypress is the architecture is completely different compared to the other testing frameworks or tools. So most testing tools operate by running outside of the browser and executing some remote commands across the network. Like to execute the Selenium, so we execute through some web drivers. But Cypress is exactly opposite to it. So Cypress is executed in the same run loop as your application, and behind the Cypress there is a Node.js server is running, and Cypress and Node.js process constantly communicates each other, and they synchronize and they perform the task on behalf of each others. Okay, having access to both the parts like front end and the back end, because we are using the Node.js is a backend server, and gives us the ability to respond your application events in real time. So this is having a unique difference, like the architecture is completely different here, and this makes the performing task like because the Cypress is installed locally on your machine, and it can additionally tap into the operating system itself for automation tasks. So the Cypress can take the screenshots, recording videos, and generating the file system and operate network operations, so it will perform easily. And the second feature is Cypress has native access to everything, because the Cypress operates within your application. That means it has access to every single object, whether it is a window or the document or the DOM element or your application instances, functions, timers, and service workers or anything. So it is having access to everything. Okay, so there is no object serialization, there is no over the wire protocol. So we have access to the everything in Cypress. So the third main feature is a whole new kind of testing is possible here. So because it is having access to everything, so you can control the networks and you can create the stubs, spice, and you can create a server, and you can handle a network requests and everything here. So here a new kind of testing is possible with the Cypress. So you can stop the browser, your application functions, and you can expose the data stores, and there are many, like you can modify the DOM elements directly, you can use the third party plugins programmatically. So there are many other features, and along with that you can prevent the Google Analytics, and so there are many options the Cypress is having. And the other feature is like you can programmatically take shortcuts, like whenever we are doing some API calls through browser, so you can change the behavior of that API response, and you can mimic the request, and you can mimic the response as well. So you can do many things like by doing the stubs and many things. So you can take programmatically shortcuts, like whatever the data you want, like you want some 500 error or 400 error. So based on your requirement you can change your response, API responses. So the other feature is like key difference is Cypress is not flaky. Okay, Cypress knows and understand everything that is happening in our application synchronously. Okay, so it notified the moment the page loads and the page unloads. And Cypress even knows how fast an element is animating and will wait until it stops animating. Additionally, it automatically waits for the elements to be visible and elements to be enabled and it stop being covered. So if an element is covered, so until and unless the element is visible, the Cypress still keep on waiting, the element is loading. So Cypress will pass the command execution until the page is fully loaded. So, and the other thing is like Cypress execute the vast majority of its commands inside the browser, so there is no network lag. So it always gives the same results most of the time. So it will not result any flaky tests. And the last one is the debuggability is a first class. So the debugging in Cypress is very easy, and they have provided many error handling messages, like thousands of error messages they have provided. It gives us like what is what went wrong and what is happening at each step. And it it is in the dashboard also, it will provide all the clear steps and everything. So there are many other features also to debug in the Cypress. So it is very different when compared with the other testing frameworks. Thank you.